Hello, my name is Chi Din. I'm with Avignon Realty Coaching and Training. Today, I will go over the promulgated by the Texas Real Estate Commission TREC Addendum for Reservation of Oil, Gas, and Other Minerals. Now we're going to get right into it. Addendum to contract concerning the property at street address and city will go here on this blank. Then we have notice for use only if seller reserves all or a portion of the mineral estate. So that's only if seller reserves all or a portion of the mineral estate. Paragraph A, define mineral estate, means all oil, gas, and other minerals in and under, and that may be produced from the property, and a royalty under any existing or future mineral lease covering any part of the property, executive rights, including the right to sign a mineral lease covering any part of the property, implied rights of ingress or egress, exploration and development rights, production and drilling rights, mineral lease payments, and all related rights and benefits. The mineral estate does not include water, sand, gravel, limestone, building stone, caliche, surface shell, near surface lignite, and iron, but does include the reasonable use of these surface materials for mining, drilling, exploring, operating, developing, or removing the oil, gas, and other minerals from the property. Paragraph B, subject to section C below, the mineral estate owned by seller, if any, will be conveyed unless reserved as follows. Check one box only. 1. Seller reserves all of the mineral estate owned by seller. 2. Seller reserves an undivided percentage interest in the mineral estate owned by seller. Note, if seller does not own all of the mineral estate, seller reserves only this percentage or fraction of seller's interest. Paragraph C, seller does or does not reserve and retain implied rights of ingress and egress and a reasonable use of the property, including surface materials, for mining, drilling, exploring, operating, developing, or removing the oil, gas, and other minerals. Note here, surface rights that may be held by other owners of the mineral estate who are not parties to this transaction, including existing mineral leases, would not be affected by seller's election. And seller's failure to complete section C would be deemed an election to convey all surface rights described herein. Paragraph D, if seller does not reserve all of seller's interest in the mineral estate, seller shall, within 7 days after the effective date, provide buyer with the contact information of any existing mineral leasee known to seller. Important notice here, the mineral estate affects important rights, the full extent of which may be unknown to seller. A full examination of the title to the property completed by an attorney with expertise in this area is the only proper means for determining title to the mineral estate with certainty. In addition, attempts to convey or reserve certain interests out of the mineral estate separately from other rights and benefits owned by seller may have unintended consequences. Precise contract language is essential to preventing disagreements between present and future owners of the mineral estate. If seller or buyer has any questions about their respective rights and interests in the mineral estate and how such rights and interests may be affected by this contract, they are strongly encouraged to consult an attorney with expertise in this area. Again here, consult an attorney before signing. TREC rules prohibit real estate licensees from giving legal advice. Read this form carefully. Then you have the buy and the sell. We need to sign here. And that's the addendum for reservation of oil, gas, and other minerals. Thank you for being part of this training.